In this video, we are going to see that if we want to access the spam folder or junk email folder, how we can do that and how we can move any of the email received there back to main inbox. So let me just go to more. On the left hand side, we see this more option, and here we just see the spam option. And says here messages that have been in spam for more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. So here there is no spam, but let me just show you a sample of spam emails. Here we have received a couple of spam emails. Let's say this one, Emirates Jobs. If this is not a spam, you just select that and click on not a spam, and it will move it to the main folder, or you can just select all of them or any one of them and click on delete forever. So let's say if you want to make the selections manually, you can do that, or otherwise if you want to select all, you can select the top option and select all from here and move all of them back to the inbox, or you can just simply delete it forever. So let me just delete it, and now there is no spam. Also, like I said before, messages that have been in spam for more than 30 days will be automatically deleted. So you will have the junk cleared after each 30 days automatically by Google. So that's how you do it. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.